Whatever you're planning to do with Geti, this is probably the best place to begin. I always prefer starting with an example, so consider this the hello world of Geti. I'll walk you through the entire process from installation to deployment. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into each stage and explore the many options Geti offers. And trust me, there are plenty. Look for Geti or follow the link below. Here is the installation page. I'll use the installer. Next video, I'll show you alternative ways, including running on AWS or Azure. Make sure you're having a strong enough machine. It will save you a lot of headaches. I'll talk about that too and show you how to make sure you have the right GPU drivers. Get the installer, untar, prepare a directory for the data. I'm just following the instructions as is, and install. Geti installer is almost one click. It will perform all the system checks, will ask you for your username and password. You can track the progress if you look at the log file in another terminal. Installation does take a while, be patient, and the service is up and running. Just open the address in your browser. Yes, please go there, and we can now log in. Log into Geti, and let's open a new project. There are multiple ways to open a new project. I'll tell you about it, all the options in the coming videos. Give it a meaningful name. There are multiple computer vision tasks you can do with Geti. For now, I'll choose simple detection. I'll choose one label, one category with the name car. For data, I'll use this video. Imagine a traffic camera that needs to detect cars. There are many options for input data. We'll talk about it. For now, I'll just upload that video and I will annotate it manually. I'm trying to detect cars, so I will just place a box on few cars. You can play with the size of the bounding box so it can fit best. This is an important stage and there are multiple ways to do the annotation. Let's submit our annotation. It will automatically move to the next frame. Annotation obviously looks different according to the task you chose. We'll talk about it in future videos. I'm still missing 10 frames. This is the minimum the tool asks for, so I'll just do that and we can move to training the model. As you can see, it has already started. It's not waiting for me. You can, of course, choose which model to train and many other parameters, but for now, I'll let it choose for me and preparing the data, training, and model is ready. I'm at 67% of accuracy. We got here with the minimal manual annotation work. This is the beauty of Geti, active learning. Geti can start learning right away from the minimal set of annotations and even identify and prioritize the most informative frames from your unannotated data. You can see here, all of these cars were automatically labeled. You can see the little AI note indicating that the model has detected these cars for me, not me. You can see that there are human-created labels and AI ones, and I'm choosing to just accept all the predictions done by the model and merge them with my annotations. And now I can skip frames and annotate just the most difficult cases that were not detected by the model or annotated previously by me. That's all. You can see that the next version of the model didn't wait for me and already started the training. And we are at 82%, much better. We can now test the model if you want, or we can move to deployment. You can see that there are multiple versions of the model. I'll talk about quantization in the future. Proceed to deployment. There are multiple ways to use the model. I'll just use simple code, but we will talk about OpenVINO, which is my preferred way, and download the package. Let's look at the deployment package. We got here a sample image. It's just a random snapshot from the input video and a README file with all the information you need. Let's open a terminal, go to the right directory, and follow the instructions. Create a new virtual environment, activate it. You can see here that it is activated. Install wheels, install the requirements, and just run the demo script. Import OpenCV and Geti SDK, go to the right folder, read the sample image, change this code to read any image you like or an input video, load the model to run on CPU or GPU or any other device. We'll definitely talk about which device and why. Create the prediction, basically run the model, run inference, and write the result to the image. Let me just run the demo. Here is the result. All the cars are detected. Pretty cool. What's next? All the rest. If this flow just works for you, start working. In the next video, I'll explain each of the stages in detail. See you there.